Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of the newspaper of Tuesday, March the 24th, 2020. We have a Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars, a tectonic and a binary puzzle. We will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Let me see. A4 in this column, A4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for A4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for A4 should be here. Then yes. In this big square, no. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the missing numbers 7 and 8, I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then can I do something with a 6? Yes, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 6 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 5 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here also a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes remain for the 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there in this column. So we have a 5 in this column and a 5 in one of these boxes in this column, the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then let me see, 3, the 4, 4, 4. Ooh. 6, 9, and the 2, no. 2, 2, 2, 2. Let me see the 3, 3, 3, 3. No. The 4, 4, 4. Yes. In this third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4 and a 1. I see here a 1 and a 4, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 should be in one of these 2 boxes. I see here a 4, so no 4 in this box, so the 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this row column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for a 1 should be here. Then and 3, 9. We have 3 missing numbers in the third row. The numbers are 3, 8, and 9. 3, 8, and 9. I see here 9 and 8. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. One digit remain for this box should be the 3. Here we have the 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9. Here 8 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then we have 5, 7, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2, 7, and 9. I see here 2, so no 2 in those two boxes. The 2 should be here. One box remains for the 2. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Remember that I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for a later. 7 and 9, that means those two boxes are reserved for the numbers 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. 6 and the 8. That means those two boxes, 6 and the 8, 7 and the 9. 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 9 is missing in the first column. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 boxes missing in this row for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 boxes are missing in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 2 boxes are missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this middle big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, 7 and 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this third row for the numbers 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in the second row for the number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 4. Then 2 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 now, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. All right, for a one-star Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell for a notification by YouTube if there are new Sudokus coming. Anyway, want to thank you to watch this puzzle, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku puzzle, a 2-star Sudoku. Thank you for now, and see you later. Bye bye.